Good morning, my dear children. How are you? Are you safe? I hope all are safe at home. Today we are moving to the fourth chapter in your grammar textbook. The name of the chapter is Articles. In your previous classes, you have learned about articles. Which are the articles? A, are, the are called articles. These articles again divided into two, definite article and indefinite article. Which are the indefinite articles? A and an are the indefinite articles. Then which is the definite article? The is the definite articles. Now let's find out where will we use these indefinite articles. We will use A in front of consonant sounds. Which are the consonant sounds? B, C, D, F, G, H, etc. Then where will you use an? We will use an in front of the words that begin with the vowel sounds. Then which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U are the vowel sounds. Then, when will we use the definite article the? We will use the definite article the when we talk something for the second time. For the second time. And some other uses are there. We will find out which are the places we will use the definite article the.
Children, we can also use the before certain nouns when we know there is only one of a particular thing. For example, the rain, the sun, the wind, the world, the earth, etc. Okay, what does it mean? It means that we can, when we say, we will say the earth, the world, the wind, etc. But if we want to describe a particular instance of these, we can use a or an. For example, there is a cold wind. There is a cold wind blowing. I could hear the wind. The next use of the to describe the people of a country or a class of people. How will we describe the people of a country? The Indian, the English, the French, etc. Class of people means the rich, the poor, etc. The third use of the before the names of many large geographical areas and the four directions. Which are the four directions? The east, the west, the south and the north. And large geographical areas means the Gulf countries, the Himalayas, etc. And the fourth use of the before the names of rivers, oceans and seas. Example, the Brahmaputra, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, etc. And before the names of deserts, forests and Gulf. Example, the Sahara, the Persian Gulf, the Amazon forest, etc. The sixth use of the before the names of musical instruments, the guitar, the drums, the flute, etc. Now, the seventh use of the before a superlative. The best computer, the worst player, the most interesting book, etc. And before the names of newspapers, the Hindu, the Indian Express, etc. Before the names of famous buildings, monuments, paintings, etc. The Empire State Building, the Red Fort, the Mona Lisa, etc. Now we have studied the use of the. Is it clear? For better understanding, it's nice to by heart the rules. Where will we use the definite article the? Then you will not forget. Okay? Children, now all of you look at the textbook. Take page number 24. And here is one exercise. Read the text below. Underline a, and the in the text. Okay. My favorite vacation place is a beach in Goa. I like the weather because it is never too hot or too cold. The people are very nice. I love to sit on the beach with a plate of Goan food and a green coconut to drink from. The food in Goa is really good. I like to watch the sunrise and the sunset. Let me tell you about an evening full of fun as I enjoyed others in a dance. It's a homework. You have to underline the articles a and the. It's very easy, nothing difficult. Even though I will send the answers and I will also underline the articles and I will send. You have to check whether it is correct or not. Okay.